have many successful brands here in India when it comes to fashion and lifestyle, but we've always been missing an all-encompassing, truly Indian sports gear brand. And today we bridge the gap as we launch Defy. Ladies and gentlemen, applause for the cause. Defy, ladies and gentlemen, is a movement against no movement. And to speak about the brand, it gives me great pleasure to invite on stage Mr. Rajiv Mehta, founder, Mr. Prashant Desai, founder, and Mr. Shamir Saraya, co-founder of Defy. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. How did you think of, where did the thought come from to start Defy? And I love the name, by the way.
Thank you so much. Thank you, first of all, for honoring and coming here. I guess before I get into how and why I started Defy, I think it's a very overwhelming moment for all my co-founders and us. Very humble beginnings, and we've been very humbled and grateful with the kind of response that we've received when the journey started from each and every one present over here. I would obviously want to, normally you end an event with a vote of thanks. I want to begin with a vote of thanks. First, of course, I want to thank Kishorji, who's taught me everything I have learned so far, who's been so generous and selfless with his time. Every time I've spoken to him, he's been more than kind enough to kind of, guide us, at sometimes even, scold us. But, and he's come here today to grace this occasion and, unveil the brand. I'm extremely, extremely grateful to him. Very early on when we started the journey, we still didn't know what we stood for, what we wanted to do. And we had the Indian cricketing legend, Anil Kumble, who held our hand. And then he told us to take the first step. Anil sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We'll have him on stage in just a little while. Don't worry.
While we were into our journey, Anil sir told us about Hardik Pandya. Hardik was just starting his cricketing journey. And quite frankly, we were looking for somebody who looked at Defy as a brand, as a personality. Hardik had a lot of options, but he chose to be part of us. And he's been extremely, extremely generous with his time and with his comments. So he's not here today with us. We are missing him a lot.
He's
but
making India proud somewhere.
Yeah. Thank you. And while we were walking on the path, it was interesting. We just had a meeting at Excel, and we happened to meet up with Ritesh and Farhan. And they were just so, both of them are extremely fit, as you know. And both of them chose to hold our hands, and they decided to partner us, and in a very small way, but extremely honored and privileged to have somebody like Ritesh and Farhan. Apart from making movies, it's just the amount of work they've done from a branding and a marketing perspective, and we look forward to learning a lot from them as well. Whatever journey you do, it's impossible to do without your friends, without your family. All of them are here today to launch our brand with us, so we want to thank each and every one of us. What you see on stage is 3 of us, but today I miss my founder. I lost my very dear friend 4 years back. If he was here, he would have been here. So, missing you, Alok. Missing you very badly. Alok's daughter is here, so thanks, Kavya. But now coming to your question, why did I think of Defy? I think the thought was very simple. We've been runners for like 5-6 years. And every time we would run, we would always question the thought that why is running so expensive? To a normal layman, what do you do for fitness? So you are kind of just running, right? People think it's most inexpensive way to do. Just buy a pair of shoe, wear it and run. What we realized, it's not so inexpensive. A typical pair of shoe in India today costs 10,000-12,000. It doesn't end with a shoe. You need a pair of shorts, t-shirts, gym bag, bottles. And I realized running was becoming pretty expensive. And that's where the thought struck that in a country like India, where we have 1.3 billion people, not everybody can afford a 10,000-12,000 rupee shoe. I started looking for options in India, but the options that are currently available in India, I was not very happy with the quality. I would not trust running a 21K in that shoe. And I think that's where the seed, the genesis kind of took shape, that I think there is a space to build a brand in between somewhere, not there at the top, not there at the bottom. Can I make very, very good-looking footwear? Can I, have decent technology, great superior technology, and make it affordable and accessible? So that's how the kind of thought started. Coming from a kind of a grown up in retail environment, I was always very clear that, a sports product needs to be felt, needs to be seen, touched, felt. So we, both Rajiv, Samir, and I decided to kind of at some level, open our own stores. You came to the store today, so that's our first store. And we will have both a presence offline and online. Again, we've tried to defy a couple of things there. We had the option of doing online ourselves, but we realized that the best partner in the country or probably in the world is Amazon. The Amazon team is here today. They've been extremely, extremely helpful. And we've taken the road less traveled. We've decided that we will not do online retail. We trust Amazon to be our partner. So all Defy products will be available in online. And yes, so here we are.
Well,
Thank you.
heartiest congratulations. It's been an emotional journey for you. And I am given to understand when we spoke a little while earlier, you've run a half marathon in one of these shoes.
Yes,
He's run
I did.
21K, so he's like an endorser in that sense, that it's a good shoe.
Thank you.
Moving to his friend and co-runner, Rajiv, you have been associated with many big international brands, so you understand sporting brands really well. We'd like to hear, your vision for this particular brand. What makes it unique? What makes Defy so unique?
Thanks, Mandira. Thank you everyone for being here and being part of our pleasure, our joy, and our hard work. So really, really overjoyed to have you here. Thank you. So when we started this journey, we wanted to start the brand as soon as possible. You go to China, you get overwhelmed by the kind of products that you get. You can see showrooms full of products. You can pick up a product, you can put your logo, and in 30 days you can start selling. But that is something that probably both Prashant, I, and Samir didn't want to do because that's the easy way out, and that someone else can very easily outmarket you, outbid you. And so we said, how do we make a shoe better, right? And like you said, having worked with and having used products, both Prashant and I understand that why is it that we like running in a particular shoe? And the answer came back to one thing, which is, we love the way it fits. And the fit of the shoe comes from something known as the last. Just like in a denim, before you love a brand, you love the fit, and then you become loyal to the brand. So I think for us, the fit of the shoe was the starting point. We said that just like in everything else, Indians are unique. We also have unique feet. We grow up wearing open footwear. Because we have open footwear, even at home, even today, we remove our footwear and walk around. We have slightly broader feet. So we developed a last for ourselves. We took about 2 months developing the last. We went to China probably 6 to 7 times just for the last. We took measurements of all our runner friends. We made sure that the last was as per majority of the feet that we have in India. And once the last was done, we said now we need the shoe to be good looking. We don't want it to be a copy of an ABC XYZ. So how do you get a designer? So you look on Naukri.com, you look on Monster, and you find tons of designers for apparel, but not a single good sneaker designer, or rather not a single sneaker designer in India. That's when we went to Portland. Portland is where Nike is headquartered, where Adidas R&D is headquartered. And there we met a bunch of designers, and finally we partnered with Stream Collective. They are very, very talented designers from Portland, both Miroslav and Jeremy. They are present here amongst us today. And what you see on the wall at Defy has been 100% designed in Portland by Miro and Jeremy of Stream Collective. So that was the second thing. I said that, after the fit, people should look, the shoe should look good. And the last was the sole. That's where the magic is. That's where the soul, exactly. So, to mix the compounds of the sole, you need to open a mold. The technical term is basically in India, you call it as a dye. You need the dye for the shoe. And from the dye, you add compounds, and then you make it into a whole new shoe with all your, whether you call it a gel, you call it a bounce, you call it whatever else. That's where the magic is. So we had to open molds. We deliberated a lot, but in the end, having made that investment, the shoe was 100% our own design. It was not a copy of anything from any angle. And that's what made us very, very proud, and that's what you will see. So I think that's what makes Defy unique. It's catered for the Indian feet. It's got international design, but at the same time, given the Indian conditions at which people run and walk, we've made sure it's lightweight and cushioned.
So we heard from Rajiv just now where the magic of Defy lies, but the magic of Defy also lies in the fact that it's priced so beautifully. So, Mr. Sarai, why don't you talk us through the earnest pricing?
Thank you, friends and family, to be present over here. First of all, by defying the Mumbai traffic and Mumbai rains, thank you so much once again. Coming back to the question, so we at Defy has a simple logic about pricing. It's as simple as that. We want to defy MRP and we want to come up with something called MRV. We want to bring maximum retail value to our product, which are great looking at with great technology. That's what, Mandira, I have to say about pricing.
Short and sweet, defying the limits as far as pricing is concerned as well. That's fantastic, and it's much called for in today's market when people want to, save money, want a good product, but want it at great value at a good price.
Yes. So we want to pack in a lot of value to the product.
Yes.
Not
And
the
so
price
you
to
have.
the product.
I am wearing Defy top to bottom, and I feel not only is the design element great, it's very comfortable, and for women,
so much.
we look for certain things, and it checks off all those boxes.
Thank
So,
you.
thank you very much, gentlemen. It was lovely hearing about the brand's unique vision and what makes it so special. And thank you for sharing with us the journey. Thank you, gentlemen. Big round of applause. I'd like to invite the founder and CEO of Future Group, Mr. Kishore Biani, to please come on stage and unveil the brand. Wonderful manner. Thank you. Requesting you to please stay back on stage. This brand, I'm sure you'll all agree, looks truly international. A fantastic quality brand, in your opinion. Is it becoming a mega trend?
I think we have all grown with some sports, whether it was a gilli danda to a kabaddi to cricket to football to badminton. I think sport has been an integral part of our growing up scene. I believe it's a big part of everybody's life now, and it's turning into quite a lot of commercial activities around sports. There is a lot of business being built around sports, whether it's clothing, whether it's footwear, whether it's television, whether it's advertising, and there are celebrities, stars getting created out of sports in a big way. I believe it's becoming a big business also. So sports is taking a new turn, and I believe it's going to grow and grow and grow.
Anil, we'll go to you now. You've been in sport and the business of sport as well. Cricket will always be religion in our country, the greatest passion, but there are lots of other sports that have garnered a lot of interest, be it football, kabaddi, like Mr. Biani just said, or tennis, badminton. So what are your thoughts on that as India, as a sporting nation?
I think, just to add to what Mr. Biani mentioned, it's not just about cricket anymore. There are other sporting activities that are there. We are growing as a sporting nation, been performing at the international level across sports. We can see that men, women, we have icons now to look up to in different sporting categories. And the awareness about sport itself is good to have. And, it's not just about watching sport, but now people want to participate as well. You see a lot of people getting into running. You see a lot of running events, cycling, even walking. I mean, you see that quite a bit, not just, watching or following a sport. So I think as a nation, we are a young nation. So I think sport in modern world, getting out of your rooms and getting out of your offices is not easy with all handheld devices. So I think I'm glad that, sport is becoming a part of our culture. And it needs to improve. I mean, it's not enough. Sport needs to come into schools, and that's happening slowly. But, I'm really glad to be associated with Defy because, like I mentioned, it's also about, the quality that needs to be used as well. So if you want to grow, it's important that you have the quality that comes about, and that's what you see currently happening in India.
Farhan, we'd like your perspective as well. You were amazing in Bhag Milkha Bhag. You portrayed the role of Milkha Singh. Do you think that we'll see sports in cinema and cinema on sports? Is it emerging as a trend, in your opinion?
Well, we are looking towards sporting icons, towards legends over time that we've had to bring their stories onto screen. There is a lot, I think, for children especially, to learn about character, to learn about life, to learn about dealing with failure, to learn about how to reinvent yourself.
Motivate yourself, inspire.
Absolutely, to motivate yourself. And I find stories that if you can take them from sport, they are easier for people to understand because they're not very complicated. So for children to understand, sport plays a very, very important part. And as far as cinema in sport goes, I think nothing can be more dramatic than certain events that play out. You know, when you're watching a sporting event, we've in our lifetimes, you know, seen, be it in cricket, you know, be it in football, be it in badminton, we've seen events play out where you feel that, you know, this has played out in a way that it could not even be scripted. That if you wrote it, people would be, aisa kaise ho sakta hai? You know, so that's also happened. So there is a lot of drama in sport. That's what makes it so enjoyable to watch. Heroes emerge, you know, stories are created in a way that you just cannot possibly imagine. So there is a lot of drama, and as far as sport in cinema goes, I feel that for a young generation of India, like Anil rightly mentioned, we are a very young country. For that young generation, there's a lot of life lessons to be learned from watching their sporting icons.
Thank you, Farhan. I'm going to come to you, Mayank. Being at the forefront of digital technology and online retail, how does Amazon view India as a sporting, sport-loving nation?
Yeah, I think when we look at fashion as an overall category, we clearly see sports emerging as one of the largest categories within fashion. And I think it takes a lot of things to come together. Investment in sports infrastructure, investment in local tournaments, accessibility to sporting goods. And I think having brands like DeFi, which are making good quality sporting products more accessible, partnering with them, platforms like us, which are able to reach tier 2, tier 3 towns, we think India is at a cusp of emerging sporting as a day-to-day culture. I see it around me and my colleagues. Everyone is into some kind of sports. I see it at my son in school. At 6.5, he is into far more sports than I was till high school. So I do think India is emerging. And we see the results in many of the international tournaments now. One is going on right now, and we are doing well. So we think India is emerging as a sporting nation, and we think we would love to partner with all the people here and DeFi to be part of that journey.
Thank you. Ritesh, before I ask you why you invested in or are so invested in DeFi, are you into any sport? Are you interested in sport? And what was your sort of motivation to come on board with DeFi? Because Prashant talked about you right up top saying it's so nice to have Ritesh and Farhan being a part of this journey with us.
Yeah, actually I do, I begin my day with a sport. I do kickboxing and I do some form of training, but I think that's the only time, which I was telling them earlier down, so it's like your me time, when you're completely cut off from your phone or any other digital attraction at that point. So I think playing some amount of sport, I think, determines how my day is going to go. So if I have a bad day, trust me, I haven't worked out that day. That's the thing. But I think coming back to investing, I think both Prashant and Rajiv, I met them at the office one evening when they were sitting with the marketing team. Actually, it was just by coincidence I bumped into them and I heard them about what they believe. So I think more than investing in the brand, I was more keen, both Farhan and me, in investing in them. Because I think they were so passionate about what they wanted to do. And they told me what they did the last 18 months almost of, being in China, where they could have had the easier route, where most people go to China, just take a ready-made dye and put their brand on it. And they told me how they wanted to actually, make sure that they build the shoe, which is, where I think runners, because they both run, would have less chances of having some injury. And right from the sole to the designing. So I think their passion behind what they were wanting to create made me invest in them.
Thank you, Ritesh. Anil, I'm going to ask you the same. what made you come on board with Defy? What was it that you saw? What was the potential that you saw in Defy? Because you got on board and invested in the earlier stages, yes?
I think, we all saw how passionate and emotionally involved Prashant is into Defy.
Yeah, come on, big round of applause for all that passion.
And I've known Rajiv for a while, so it's not just about the brand itself, but I think, like I mentioned, sport, not just as sport, but also as a lifestyle, is something that the youth look for. I mean, it's not just about comfort, the importance of wearing a good footwear. It's not just about the T-shirt or whatever you're wearing, but also how it looks, I think matters to the current youth as well. So all of that is available at Defy, and the affordability as well. I think, that's the challenge. When you're playing a sport, it's important to use the right attire, right apparel, right shoes for you to play the sport, because otherwise you'll pick up injuries. You may pick up, difficult injuries that can probably be, it may take you out of your sport itself. So it's important that you consider all of that when you're going out to a store and picking up. And Defy, addresses all those issues, and the best part is the affordability itself. And that's something that I wanted to look at. You have aspirational brands, but at the same time, you also want affordable brands, and that's what Defy is, and I'm really glad to be a part of this.
We'll stick with you with the pricing for just a little bit. How important is good pricing for a sports person who's just, getting into sport? Of course, for a sports person, sports gear is very important, but how important is pricing to begin with?
No, I think it's extremely critical. It's not that everybody can afford, and parents can only afford certain amounts for sport. And at the end of it, if you have to keep using a particular shoe, just because you can't afford it, you can't be using it for a couple of years or 3 years. That will start affecting your performance. It'll start, again, you'll start picking up injuries because of, just because you can't afford another pair of shoes. And I think pricing is extremely critical. And in the Indian context, if you don't get the price right, and not just the price, I mean, it's not just about picking up the price right, it's also the quality that you provide for that price. I think Defy ticks all those boxes. And that was critical as well, important to pick the price right. And, affordability, which is, I mean, as a kid who's starting up into sport, for me, picking up that first cricket bat cost a lot of money. And again, of course, I was not a great batsman, so I could, keep the bat going for a longer period of time. But having said that, cricket is a very expensive sport for a 12-year-old or a 13-year-old to start playing. So the kit itself is so expensive. So I think the price right is what defines Defy, I think.
Thank you, Anil. Mr. Biani, we'll talk about pricing with you. Mid-level, this is a mid-level price brand. How much of a market is there for a brand like this, especially when online, all the international brands are available at discounted prices?
I think what I have seen in this product and the way the brand has been conceptualized is there's always a gap between what is available and what is required in the market. And I think they have created a product at a certain price point wherein there is a certain gap lying in the market. And once you get into business, I think it's an entrepreneurial journey. And I see the traits of a lot of good entrepreneurship coming into this brand. And it's learning while doing. The customer will respond and they will learn and they will keep on creating products. But the initial thoughts, I think in terms of positioning has been quite right for the market which we are in. And I believe there's a huge market at this price points and this product range. And I think it's all about learning while doing. So I think as an entrepreneur, I can say that it reminds me of my early days when I launched our first large store. And that is what I have seen today. And we learned on the way. We never got it right, probably in the first instance. But I think I am seeing that entrepreneurship, and I'm seeing another Guju entrepreneur in the country coming up in the...
So we'll stick with you for a minute. Brick and mortar, there's so many people who are moving away from brick and mortar, and here we are, 22 stores over the next few months, over 9 cities. Do you think that's a little bit of a risk? Do you think that's, what are your thoughts on that?
Entrepreneurship is all about risk, and I think it's a reasonably good risk which Prashant and they have taken. And it's a risky category also because you are dealing with so many variables. You are dealing with so many sizes, so many SKUs. Fashion, the time to market is also a longer period. I think it's an interesting risk they have taken. And I have never taken this risk in this category till now. So maybe I'll take some risk along with Prashant now.
Mayank, after Amazon has launched so many international brands, has partnered with so many international brands, what is Amazon's thought partnering with and launching an all-encompassing Indian brand like this? What are your thoughts? What is Amazon's thought on this?
So at Amazon, our vision is to transform the way India buys and sells fashion. In that journey, we are today India's largest online fashion store in terms of selection. So we carry brands for every customer. And the reason some of the brands like Under Armour or New Balance, why they partnered with us, is our reach and our long-term partnership. And I remember we talked about Defy the first time we met Prashant and Rajiv with this brand concept. Like many of us, we were inspired by the kind of consumer research they had done on Indian sports person. Right? They talked to runners, identified the challenges they faced in the current sporting, whether it's T-shirts or sports shoes or equipment, and tried to address that. And that kind of customer obsession is something we at Amazon try and do as well. So this outcome of us being exclusive online partner to me is very natural with this kind of a meeting of minds. And if you look at sporting sales for Amazon, almost 2/3 of it, more than 60%, comes from tier 2 and tier 3 towns. So I think brands like Defy will play a very big role in making quality sporting at affordable prices accessible to the entire India. And we have great confidence in them being a big part of the growth story of sports that we're talking about and proud partners in that journey of theirs. So we think they have a big role to play.
Thank you. Farhan, Ritesh, my question is to both of you. Do you think there is a market for a true blue Indian sportswear brand in our country?
I think there's only one answer to this, and that's yes. Absolutely. I really, I do feel, just to also add a little bit, you had asked a question about the whole brick and mortar thing. I do feel that I'm personally, I'm really, really glad that they have open stores that people can visit, where they can touch the product, wear the product, kind of browse through different things. I think it's an important part, initially at least, of an experience that somebody needs to have with a new brand. When you get used to a brand, when you get used to the philosophy of that brand, the way it fits you, then to go ahead and be a little bit more relaxed in ordering something, online is a lot simpler, I feel. So you can call me a bit old school in this regard. But I like the fact that I can hold the shoe in my hand when I first kind of see it. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. And you get a sense of really just all of it, the feel of it, the weight of it, exactly how every different shoe is going to fit you, how it looks with what you're wearing, just all those things. And as far as your question goes, I feel, absolutely, India is a sporting nation. Day on day, we are noticing more and more sports coming into the forefront of popularity, of interest. And it's really about time that we have a true Indian brand, that can represent all these aspirations and dreams that all these Indian athletes have.
Ritesh, your thoughts?
Yeah, I think, I'll just, the one thing I would like to say is that, yes, definitely there is. I don't know about what in terms of market is, and I think with Mr. Bayani and what Anil have said, they have found the right product in the right price brand. They have the right platform, and I think you have the right people behind it. So I think you have all the ingredients, because what we do, making movies, is very unpredictable. That's our inherent nature of what we do. So I think you have something here which is a given. With these people are very passionate and they have found the right product. So I think we might see this with Defy.
As consumers, you want fantastic, top-of-the-line international brands in the past, even now. But what are your thoughts on the design element of Defy? And why aren't there women's shoes in yellow and red like this? I want to know. Design team. because the shoes you're wearing, I mean, I love pink and all, but I'm a little envious. So your thoughts on the design element, and maybe you go, Ritesh, first.
I think they are beautiful. Like I said, like we've all been exposed. Mostly when you buy your kids or shoes, you've traveled abroad and you got the other brands which you've usually sampled. But I wore them for the first time, and I love them, and I'm going to keep wearing them. So I'm wearing them not because it's an event, but you'll see me very often in this.
So when we catch you later in the evening, you're going to be wearing the same red shoes, I hope.
I've left my shoes with them in the store and taken this out.
Your thoughts, Farhan, on the design element?
Right. No, I do feel that in everything that that human beings do, aesthetic plays a very, very important part. And from the moment that we met them at the office, they opened this case. There were all these, there were, I don't know, like 25 or 30 different pairs of shoes and all the sporting gear. And it captured your eye. You know, you wanted to look at it, you wanted to try it on. So that aspect of it, I feel it looks amazingly cool as well. Plus, they do serve the purpose for why they're being made, which is that they're great sports shoe. So all of it has come together really nicely and in a very aesthetic way. Aesthetics matter, I think, to me, to everybody up here on stage, matter a lot. And I feel that they've done an amazing job. And I think that comes really from their passion of us wanting to wear it, them wanting to wear it, that they want to wear these shoes. So let's make shoes that we will be proud to wear. And that is obvious that it would transfer onto every single person who buys the shoe.
Thank you very much. Mr. Biani, we started with you, so we'll end with you. Finally, what kind of advice would you like to give Defy as a brand, because they all look up to you?
I think build the brand as close, if you can connect emotionally with the consumers as much as possible. And maybe the surprise will be in the plan B. And the plan B, according to me, will be the clothing line, not the footwear line as much. Clothing line might be 60 to 70% of their business than the footwear line.
All right, are you listening, Defy? Gentlemen, thank you very much. Big round of applause for the gentleman on stage. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. Thank you for investing in Defy. If you would step forward, please, for a photo op, that would be very nice. Yes, can we have Rajiv, Prashant, and Shamir on stage, please, for the photo op? Gentlemen, thank you very much for sharing your thoughts. Thank you for all those fabulous insights. Requesting our backstage team to please clear the chairs. Can we have the chairs cleared, please? Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, is defying his own limits in England at the moment, taking 5 wicket hauls and all, and making us proud. He would have loved to have been here with us on this very special launch day, but he couldn't be here with us today.
scared of doing it with you guys. If I was doing this alone, I was alright. But let's see who does it better, guys. I take this as a challenge. I'm competing with everybody.
Sakir and Karan, you have to take your caps off. I'm just saying. Okay, are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, and please take it away because this is about the obstacle course. Please proceed to the right side of this running track. Right side of the. We are going to begin with Sakir. You're the first to start. I'm going to go stand near the trampoline and see how you do it.
अरे बोल रहा हूँ एक सलाल लगा के तो बुला रहा हूँ आधा घंटा
Requesting the photographers to please make some way in between. Don't be right in the center. If someone please,
एक सलाल नहीं दोगे
just on either side please.
दोनों लगा के और उसके बाद निकल लेंगे
भाई धक्का क्यों मार रहे हो? once more, ए बाजू से, once more ए बाजू से, ए आगे मत आना, बस यहाँ से, हाँ. Alright, guys, make some noise for the girls, yeah, I got cheer. Sorry.
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है जैसे आप देख सकते हैं we've had to do this obstacle course which was looking very easy to begin with but wasn't that easy but to be able to do something for Defy I think was a good opportunity for all of us. We had a great time. I get to meet my friends who I don't usually meet in Bombay but
and
I get
we
to
don't work out together normally,
yeah.
so it's been
so
fun.
it's nice we got to work out together and hang together, so it's lovely.
बड़ा मज़ा आया. आज मैं जानबूझ के जिम नहीं गई क्योंकि मुझे पता था साकिब यहाँ होगा डिफाई के इवेंट पे और वो मुझे डिफाई करने की कोशिश करेगा, इसलिए आज का
पर
जो
आप defy
वर्कआउट
नहीं
था
हुई।
नहीं हुई और वो चैलेंज बना दिया एक्चुअली साकिब ने. इट वाज जस्ट अ नॉर्मल वर्कआउट बट नाउ इट बिकेम लाइक अ कंपटीशन एंड फन एंड मज़ा आया यार. ऐसे एक्टिविटीज होते रहने चाहिए. आई थिंक आई एम ऑल फॉर फिजिकल फिटनेस. सो इज साकिब
Come, let's
सलीम.
do some push-ups over.
Come.
Come, we'll do push-ups for them. Come. Come.
I'll do squats.
Oh, you do squats?
Let's do squats.
Let's do squats.
Ready.
One. Guys, let's see who goes deeper. in the
Wait.
squat.
Ready.
Single leg squat.
No.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Then you want to stop. 5, 6, 7, 8.
On 10 we have to hold.
Okay.
9. Who
10.
holds the
And
longest?
hold. And hold. How long do you want to hold, Riya?
Let's see. I can
Do you want to go on one leg and hold or two legs? Come on. Come on. Come on, you got this. I'm Rakesh. Come
I
on.
look like I'm suffering.
Come on, guys.
I look good. I look happy. I'm happy.
Further down, further
I
down.
can, you come down.
I'm squatting
I
down
can be
below.
here forever. What's up? Let's do this.
Ao,
Which means-
Milo. Milo, chalo.
Cut.
It's very evident you guys don't meet each other often.
Yeah, Riya, that was well done.
That
Well
was
done,
fun.
Riya. I let her win, you know. I believe.
He's a chivalrous guy who doesn't
Yeah.
believe in equality, so he let
I believe in equality always. Yes, sir. Next question. I think we all of us know each other, and ऐसा कोई competition नहीं था यार, to be really honest. We had a great time doing this together. Like I said, जब मैं आया था तब मैंने सोचा नहीं था इतना difficult होगा, but अब सांस फूल गई है. तो मज़ा आया. Like we have said, I didn't go to the gym either, so this was a good exercise for all of us.
नहीं हम तो ऐसे मजाक कर रहे थे, लेकिन बहुत मज़ा आया. इट्स नाइस टू वर्क आउट विद पीपल who enjoy working out, who also are into physical fitness. और यहाँ पे सब लोग हैं, they are all into physical fitness. तो हमें बड़ा मज़ा आया. ट्रैम्पोलिन पे कूदे, स्पोर्ट्स खेला, जिम रूटीन भी किया. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी
बहुत
इंटरेस्टिंग.
अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलती है, मैं आपको बता दूं. आज इसने एक छक्का मारा जो मॉल के बाहर बिल्कुल नहीं गया.
45 minutes to an hour.
Yeah,
उससे ज़्यादा की ज़रूरत नहीं होती एक्चुअली. इट्स नॉट अबाउट द टाइम, इट्स अबाउट द इंटेंसिटी.
That is exactly my answer. I just told her before we did this interview, so she copied my answer. But yeah, 45 minutes to an hour. And now we have Mandra Bedi and Karan Chatter in the house. See you guys. Thank you.
Ciao, ciao,
क्या
ciao.
टाइम लगा दिया वहाँ पे? ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि ये एक ऑल इनकम्पसिंग ट्रूली इंडियन ब्रांड है, जो इंडियन कंज्यूमर के लिए बना है अच्छे अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस में. सो दैट इज़ आई थिंक द बेस्ट. क्वालिटी में कहीं कोई खामी नहीं है, एंड दैट्स व्हाट्स सो स्पेशल अबाउट द ब्रांड. इंटरनेशनल लेवल क्वालिटी एट प्राइसेस दैट सूट इंडियंस. तो इट वाज वेरी नाइस होस्टिंग द शो. और फरहान अख्तर, रितेश सिद्धवानी और अनिल कुंबले जैसे महारथी इस ब्रांड को बैक कर रहे हैं. और मज़ा भी बहुत आया क्योंकि करण, साकिब, निधि और रिया एक ऑब्स्टिकल कोर्स में चैलेंजेस फेस कर रहे थे और उनको भी मज़ा आया, मुझे भी बहुत मज़ा आया. इट वाज ग्रेट फन.
हाँ जी. It was a lot of fun, yeah. I think a brand launch like this हमेशा बहुत exciting होता है, even for people like us, like when actors come on board, when all of us come on board, when you make it exciting for us, I think naturally you end up getting very involved. Or the entire ensemble is very nice. It's a very all-rounded brand, from shoes, from clothes, shorts, T-shirts. So everything के एक इंसान को चाहिए जिम जाने के लिए, फिटनेस के लिए, चाहे वो कहीं पर भी हो. That's what they were trying to prove on the track there कि you can run in it, you can play basketball in it, you can play football in it. आप क्रिकेट खेल सकते हैं, आप वॉकिंग कर सकते हैं, आप जिम ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हैं. तो बड़ा all-rounded brand है, and I think that's what's cool about it. हाँ जी. क्या कहना तो बड़ा मजा आया यार. Actually, I think all of us missed our gym
आप
today.
पसीना देखो. नहीं, I didn't.
Like literally.
आप मुझे पता नहीं था
Oh, you didn't miss your gym?
मैं कितना करने वाली हूँ. तो मैंने
Damn.
जिम करके आई, पर
हाँ.
इनका पसीना देखो.
We've actually
वाकई
done
वर्कआउट
this.
किया. हाँ, मतलब कुछ किया यहाँ पे, ऐसे दिखाई देता है.
बड़ा मजा आया. The most favorite thing to do was the tire flip. I love doing tire flips personally. So वो tire flip करने बड़ा मजा आता है. फिटनेस मंत्र आई थिंक मैंडी का एविडेंटली बहुत सिंपल है कि आज वो ये ट्रैक करने आई है, बट फिर भी सुबह जिम होकर आई है. सो आई डोंट थिंक यू हैव एन ऑफ
पता नहीं था मुझे कितना यहाँ करने को मिलेगा. तो मैं जिम, जब मैं बॉम्बे में हूँ तो बिल्कुल मिस नहीं करती. जब मैं ट्रैवल करती हूँ तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे मौका मिल जाता है किसी ना किसी होटल में. पर आई वर्कआउट 5 days a week. मेरा और कोई मंत्रा है नहीं.
सेम यार मेरे लिए ना वर्कआउट इज़ अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. इट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग आई डू इन द मॉर्निंग. जब मैं उठता हूँ मैं सबसे पहले नाश्ता करके सबसे पहले जिम जाता हूँ. आई गो फॉर अ रन एंड इट्स एन एवरीडे थिंग. आई डोंट बिलीव इन ऑफ डेज फॉर अ सिंपल रीजन बिकॉज आई फील लाइक वर्किंग आउट इज़ लाइक वॉकिंग. जिस तरह से आप हर दिन चलते हैं, आप अपनी टांगों तो नहीं बोलते मैं कल सुबह नहीं चलूँगा. सो मेरे लिए जिम इज़ लाइक दैट. बट आई थिंक फिटनेस इन जनरल फॉर मी स्टार्ट्स हियर इन द हेड. सो इफ आई हैव अ साउंड माइंड, इफ आई एम हैप्पी, अगर मैं खुश हूँ दिमाग में, तो आई फील फिटनेस जस्ट फॉलोज इन द बॉडी देयर ऑन.
और मैं ये एक और चीज़ कहूँगी एज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ corollary to this, कि जब मैं एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ टू बी mentally, emotionally stable, not just for the
100%.
physicality of it. क्योंकि मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रेस बस्टर जो है, जब मैं थोड़ी दुखी फील करती हूँ तो मैं दौड़ने जाती हूँ या मैं जिम जाती हूँ. and I feel those happy hormones come back and make me feel happy
In
again.
fact, I feel she's so right because मेरे को लगता है वेट ट्रेनिंग का साइड इफेक्ट इज अ नाइस बॉडी, पर the first reason why you weight train or you exercise is कि आप mentally fit
To
रहें.
feel good.
And I
To
think
feel
that's why
good.
people go wrong. People go to the gym just to look a certain way. I think if you start feeling good from inside,
But that comes after a little while. पहले
Yeah.
आपकी पहली motivation जो होती है, it's to actually look
it's
good.
aesthetic.
और फिर आपको पता चल जाता है कि exercise से क्या कुछ नहीं मिलता,
That's
right?
true. That is true. हाँ जी. ये definitely बहुत sad है. I think it's very upsetting that this has happened in our own country. But at the same time, it's बहुत encouraging है कि जिस तरह से सारे हिंदुस्तानी एकजुट हो गए हैं to support the
सब तरफ
people
से
there. हाँ जी.
help आया है,
और हर
support
बंदा
आया
बड़ा
है।
proactively कर रहा है.
जी, ये नहीं है कि हम एक होता है कि प्रेस फॉर केरला, प्रेस फॉर यहाँ पे बहुत लोग प्रोएक्टिव हुए हैं, बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, बट इट्स स्टिल वेरी सैड कि सो मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री कैन नॉट डील. I mean, this is
They are not self-sufficient like this.
monsoons
It's
is a part of our
unfortunate,
life.
yes.
Monsoons is a part of what India is about. It's sad that a lot of areas in our country can't deal with the monsoons.
And I think
floods.
India only needs to get a little more prepped, a little more equipped for things like this to happen. Because unfortunately, क्या होता है कि इसका जो bearing होता है वो citizens पर होता है. So I feel very sorry for the people in Kerala at the moment, and only good wishes and prayers with them and their families. And I really hope that for the next season around, as a country, we are a little better equipped, and
And I
just
hope
make it safer for everybody.
the ones who are affected rebuild their lives at the soonest.
Yes. सर बस अभी तो आपने मेरे को लगता है न्यू ईयर तक सारे पूछ लोगे. क्रिसमस आएगा, बीच में न्यू ईयर आएगा.
मेरे भैया सिंगापुर में रहते हैं, मैंने किसी को फिजिकली राखी टाई नहीं किया बहुत टाइम से. मेरे को सिंगापुर अपनी राखी भेजनी पड़ती है हर बार. बट I remember my brother during Rakhi. I think of him, I speak to him, and I wish all the brothers in the world all the very best. We're talking about Rakhi now.
Okay, Rakhi. Okay, no.
It's a new defining moment. Well, Rakhi is very special, because my sister lives with me, and हमारे घर में एक बहुत ही प्यारा फेस्टिवल होता है, but सिर्फ 4 लोगों के बीच में होता है. Ironically, my sister ties Rakhi to my dad also, because मेरे पापा की सारी जो बहनें हैं वो दिल्ली रहती हैं. But yeah, it's a lovely function and it's a lovely festival, and it's thoroughly enjoyed. Thank you very much.
Thank you, boss.
This today, DFI, so I'm so happy to be associated with DFI, and I'm so happy that they chose me to be their face. And it's been amazing. It's been so much fun. I'm actually finally sweating now, as you all can see. But yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I genuinely really love their clothes. So I finally found amazing gym wear that I can wear every day. I love going to the gym. Fitness is a really important part of my life, not just for my body, but because of my mind. You feel very good when you exercise, and dancing is also a huge part of my life. आज के एक्सरसाइज में टफ क्या था टफ, वो जंपिंग वाला वो थोड़ा हाई था, तो दैट वाज अ बिट टफ. या
काफी टास्क पे कंपटीशन में क्या कुछ देखने मिला, क्या कुछ डिफरेंट लगा आपको यहाँ पे?
Different,
लाइक क्रिकेट एंड वॉलीबॉल.
या बास्केटबॉल. इट वाज वेरी डिफरेंट. मैंने ऐसा ड्रिल कभी नहीं किया है पहले. So it was a lot of fun. I didn't expect to have so much fun at like a brand launch, but it's been too much fun. This was very different. Yeah.
केरला में फूड भी आया
जी
उसके बारे में क्या कुछ कहना है, किस तरह एक्सप्रेस करते हैं?
I think it's very unfortunate. Nature जब decide करती है something, like you can't control that. There's no immediate solution. But I think we all should contribute in our own way. थोड़ा सा जितना भी कर सकते हैं, which I have done as well. But जितना भी, how much ever you can contribute, just contribute a little bit. And yeah, I guess just pray for Kerala. And it could have been any place, it just happens to be Kerala. So it's really sad. Yeah.
इसके अलावा प्रियंका चोपड़ा की
जी. Just congratulations, she's killing it. She's like a global star, and I have so much of respect for her. I'm a Priyanka Chopra fan, and I really respect her for where she's gotten to, all on her own, and it's just amazing. Yeah.
रक्षाबंधन आ रहा है, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे अपने चाहने वालों को?
कि brothers protect your sisters, sisters protect your brothers. I don't have a brother, I have a sister, but we still celebrate Raksha Bandhan, है ना? Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
सव्यसाची भी आ रही है
जी.
आपकी कोई
Oh. तो आई एम शूटिंग फॉर 2 फिल्म्स राइट नाउ. एक है सव्यसाची चैतन्या के साथ में, और एक है एक दूसरी फिल्म उनके भाई के साथ में, अखिल के साथ में, डायरेक्टेड बाय वेंकी. एंड इट्स अमेजिंग. दोनों कैरेक्टर्स बहुत डिफरेंट है, और रिलीज़ भी दोनों का ईयर एंड में होगा, तो आई हैव 2 back-to-back films releasing. Amazing. He's just amazing to work with. So positive, so motivating. and I don't want the shoot to get over because I'm loving working on that set. Yeah.
Madam, is there update trailer and releasing date?
Release date is 2nd of November. Trailer I don't know कब आएगा, but I hope soon. मुझे भी देखना है, तो I hope soon. Yeah. Thank you so much.
रक्षाबंधन भी आ रहा है, कल हमने हुमा जी से बात की, हुमा जी ने बोला कि आज साकिब से जो साकिब क्या कुछ करने वाले मेरे लिए, क्या कुछ करने वाले, क्या कुछ खास होने वाला है इस बार रक्षाबंधन?
यार पता नहीं यार टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट मैं और हुमा ना वो वाले भाई बहन हैं जो फ्रेंडशिप डे ज़्यादा मनाते हैं रक्षाबंधन से बिकॉज वी आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स बट ऑफ कोर्स वील डू अ लिटिल लंच और अ लिटिल सेलिब्रेशन एट होम एंड आई हैव सम गिफ्ट फॉर हर।
जो पर्सनली कुछ यादें भी हैं आपके बचपन की कुछ खास?
यार बचपन की यादें राखी को लेकर ये हैं, जब भी हमारे कॉलोनी में राखी होती थी, जब मैं दिल्ली में बड़ा हो रहा था, मैं उस दिन घर से नहीं निकलता था। मुझे लड़कियों से राखी बंधवाना पसंद नहीं था, बट आई हैड अ कपल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम माई कॉलेज, फ्रॉम माई स्कूल इनफैक्ट, हु यूज्ड टू टाई मी राखी। तो पिछले 20 साल से मेरी 2 बहनें हैं, अदिति, वैशाली, 3 बहनें इनफैक्ट, एंड अन्विता, दे टाई मी अ राखी एंड हुमाज टाइड मी अ राखी ऑन एंड ऑफ। जब उसका मन किया वो तब बांधती, वैसे नहीं बांधती।
सो बॉबी देओल्स भी आ रहे हैं यमला पगला दीवाना से, कुछ आपकी बात हुई या कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया आपने बॉबी सर को?
यार ही इज़ लुकिंग अमेजिंग यार। बॉब सर is one of the closest people in the industry I have. He's such a warm and nice guy. I wish him, Sunny sir, Dharam sir, all the best for the film. Kriti, all the best for the film. But he's looking smashing, yeah. Isn't he looking good? Don't you like the transformation? We call him Body Deol. We don't call him Bobby Deol anymore because of those arms. In fact, मेरी उनसे रात को ही बात हुई. So I saw a picture online of him when he's walking and all. तो arms बड़े अच्छे लग रहे थे. तो मैंने आर्म का एक screenshot लेके भेजा. मैंने कहा बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. So I just love the guy, man. I wish him all the luck. I hope he keeps doing well. He's, we call him, like I say, we call him Body Deol. I have a new name for him also, which is Bobby Deol version 2. He's the new Bobby Deol.
So lastly, आप last question, प्रियंका की शादी कर रही है?
Sir, बधाई हो उनको. मैं जानता नहीं हूँ personally उन दोनों को, तो I can wish them all the luck, but इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता. Thank you.
Thank you so much.